Tracking sales performance in Folk CRM is easy and can give you powerful insights into your business. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a team, keeping track of sales performance is key to making informed decisions and improving overall productivity. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to efficiently track sales performance in Folk CRM so you can start making data-driven decisions right away. Folk CRM is designed to be simple yet powerful, allowing you to manage customer relationships, track deals, and monitor sales progress. One of the most useful features is the ability to track sales performance. This helps you keep tabs on your sales pipeline, identify opportunities for growth, and measure the success of your team. The first thing you'll notice when you log in is the dashboard. This is where you can get a high-level overview of your sales performance at a glance. You can track your active deals, their stages, and overall sales activity in real time. This helps you easily spot any areas that need attention. For example, if you see that certain deals are stuck in the same stage for too long, you can take proactive steps to move them forward. Now, let's dive into how you can track specific sales performance metrics in Folk CRM. One of the most important metrics to keep an eye on is the conversion rate. You can easily track how many deals are being won versus lost, and from there, calculate your conversion rates. This helps you understand how effective your sales process is and where you might need to improve. Folk CRM also allows you to track sales by representative. You can see how individual salespeople are performing, which helps you identify top performers and those who may need additional support or training. By tracking performance on this level, you can reward high performers and help others improve, creating a more efficient and effective sales team. Another great feature in Folk CRM is the ability to set up custom reports. These reports can show you key performance indicators such as total sales, deal stages, and win rates. You can customize these reports based on your business needs and pull the data that's most relevant to you. This flexibility allows you to measure sales performance in the way that makes the most sense for your business. Additionally, you can track the sales cycle. Folk CRM tracks how long it takes to close deals from the first contact to the final sale. By measuring this, you can gain insights into your sales cycle efficiency and make adjustments to shorten the time it takes to close deals. This is a key metric for businesses that want to scale efficiently and improve overall profitability. Folk CRM also makes it easy to collaborate with your team. You can share notes, set reminders, and assign tasks to specific team members. This collaborative approach helps everyone stay on the same page and ensures that no deals fall through the cracks. Communication is streamlined, making tracking sales performance a smooth and efficient process. If you're new to Folk CRM, you can start using it for completely free by signing up through the first link below. Plus, we have an exclusive bonus for you, an extended free trial that gives you access to all of the premium features so you can really test out the platform. Before we wrap up, remember that tracking sales performance in Folk CRM is about more than just looking at numbers. It's about understanding your process and finding areas for improvement. By utilizing the metrics and features we've covered today, you'll be able to make smarter business decisions and drive better results for your team. Don't forget, if you're interested in trying Folk CRM yourself, use the link in the description to get started with an exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching.